Good morning everyone. I am Ami ma'am and today I am going to teach you English and today's topic is I, my, you. Again, I, my, you. Understood? I means when you are giving some introduction about yourself. For example, I am a boy, I am a girl, I am Ami ma'am. At this time, we say I. Now, this is a cute doll. Her name is Kajal. Now, Kajal says, Hi friends, I am Kajal. I am Kajal. Now, this cute doll is Jojo. And she says, Hi friends, I am Jojo. I am Jojo. Now, Kajal says to Jojo, I am Kajal and you are my friend. And Jojo says, I am Jojo and you are my friend. Now, I will show you a few examples of I, my and you so that you all can understand properly. I am a boy. My name is Man. I am a girl. My name is Tina. You are a girl. You are my sister. You are a boy. You are my brother. I am Harsh. You are Yash. I am Yash. You are Harsh. Now I will show you how to write the sentences of I, my and you.
Now children, open your classwork.
Page number 99 and I will show you how to write in it.
Now children, you have to write in your classwork book.
Now open page number 99 and first we will read the sentences and then I will give you the answers. Okay? Now fill in the blanks with I, my and you. Okay? Now the first sentence. Dash am a boy. Dash am a girl. Dash are a boy. You are dash brother. Dash am Priya. You are dash sister. Okay? Now we will start writing in this. Now the first sentence. Dash am a boy. I am a boy. So we will write capital I. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Next sentence. Dash am a girl. I am a girl. So we will write capital I. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Dash are a boy. See, this boy is saying something to this boy. You are a boy. So first we will write capital Y. Slanting line, one more slanting line. Make a circle for O and U. You are a boy. You are dash brother. You are my brother. So first we will write M. Standing line, go up, make a reverse U curve. Again go up, make a reverse U curve. For Y, slanting line. One more, slanting line. M, Y, my. You are my brother. Dash M, Priya. I am Priya. So we will write capital I. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. You are dash sister. You are my sister. So we will write my. Standing line, go up, make a reverse U curve. Again go up, make a reverse U curve. M. Now we will write Y. Slanting line and one more slanting line. Y. M, Y, my. You are my sister. So children, in this way, you have to write in your classwork book on page number 99. Hope you have understood the concept of I, my and you. See you in session 2. Bye-bye.